أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. هو الله الذي عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر. سبحان الله عما يشركون. سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. صدق الله العظيم. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Masood Iqbal, Member Science Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, distinguished guests, members of the society, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of President and Executive Council of Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the 9th Annual Conference of Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine. This year, The title of conference is Nuclear Medicine, Expand the Boundaries, a theme that reflects our continuous effort to advance the frontiers of nuclear medicine. To begin, I invite Dr. Babar Imran, Tamgha Imtiaz, Director, Pinam Cancer Hospital and Conference Chair, to deliver the welcome note. Dr. Babar Imran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. With your permission, sir. Distinguished guests, respected colleagues, esteemed speakers, and friends. I am deeply honored to welcome you today to the 9th Annual Conference of Nuclear Medicine, a pivotal gathering organized by Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine. We are privileged to host some of the brightest minds from both within Pakistan and abroad, uniting to advance our knowledge, foster essential collaborations, and push the frontiers of nuclear medicine. This year's conference is particularly significant as we reflect on substantial progress achieved in this specialty here in Pakistan while confronting the challenges of financial crisis and the concept of financial sustenance through self-generated resources, expanding access and enhancing theranostic capabilities. I would like to take a moment to express profound gratitude to those who have dedicated their careers to the advancement of nuclear medicine in Pakistan. Our special thanks go to Dr. Shazia Fatma, the President of PSNM and Director General NMO Division, PAC, Islamabad, Pakistan. And I'm also thankful to the entire organizing committee whose vision and diligent efforts have been instrumental in bringing this conference to fruition. Their unwavering dedication ensures that our community continues to stand at the cutting edge of healthcare innovation. Nuclear medicine facilities are being provided by provincial governments, armed forces, and the main stakeholder is, of course, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. Commission recognizes the importance of nuclear medicine and is committed to fostering its development and accessibility. We are privileged by the steadfast commitment of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission to the field of nuclear medicine. Support we get is unwavering and the stakes indeed are very high. And of course, this support is not merely a pledge, it's continuous action towards building robust infrastructure, enhancing technological capabilities, and investing in next generation nuclear medicine professionals. Each step Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission takes is aimed at ensuring that citizens of this country, citizens of Pakistan, have access to the best possible care and that our specialists are equipped with cutting-edge tools and knowledge. A cornerstone of our conference is the commitment to collaboration. It's my firm belief that science thrives on collective efforts that transcend regional and global geographical boundaries. Let's embrace this collaborative ethos wholeheartedly. Dr. Masood Iqbal, sir, We should ensure that high achievers offer a mentoring mechanism to help less privileged nuclear medicine centers maintain an optimal pace even if they cannot match the more advanced centers. Lastly, I extend my sincere thanks to our speakers, sponsors, and participants. Your engagement and continued interest are the lifeblood of this event. I also plead you to connect with your peers and to explore avenues for collaboration and growth. Together, let's aspire to leverage the full potential of nuclear medicine, paving the way for breakthroughs that extend far beyond our local context and reach communities globally. Thank you very much, and may this conference be a source of inspiration and a catalyst for continued excellence in our specialty. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I now invite Dr. Shazia Fatma, President, Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine, Director General, Nuclear Medicine and Oncology, PAEC, for a welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Inam. Honorable Member Science, Dr. Masood Iqbal, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, ladies and gentlemen, invited speakers, esteemed colleagues, distinguished guests, and fellow contributors to the field of nuclear medicine. I welcome you all to the 9th Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine annual meeting. Hope that you will enjoy what this meeting and Faisalabad has to offer. First and foremost, I would like to express my profound gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Masood Iqbal, for gracing us with this esteemed presence. PSNM was founded some 29 years ago and has grown tremendously from a small club of people who represented the field to a much larger living and breathing organism, which includes not just a few scientists and doctors, but a conglomerate of nuclear physicians, medical physicists, biomedical engineers, technologists, and most of all, an excellent and close collaboration with local and global nuclear medicine community, industry. Today, we gather at a juncture where our past achievements blend seamlessly with the promise of a brighter future. I am deeply honored to stand before you as the President of Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine to welcome you to the 9th annual conference. The prestigious gathering is more than just an event. It's a beacon of knowledge, a platform for innovation, and a testament to our shared commitment to the ever-evolving field of nuclear medicine. The schedule of this conference encapsulates the dynamism of nuclear medicine, from the precision imaging of cancer treatments, exploring the cutting-edge theranostics, to understanding the transformative role of hybrid imaging. Our discussions promise to be both enlightening and impactful. Beyond the presentations, our workshops stand as a pillar of hands-on learning, designed and led by international and national luminaries. These sessions aim to equip every participant with the practical skills and insights, whether you are delving into the nuances of radiotherapy planning or the intricacies of advanced imaging modalities. The vibrancy of our field is in its youth, and I'm thrilled about our exclusive sessions designed for the next generation of nuclear medicine practitioners. These workshops will enable budding professionals to engage, learn, and seek mentorship from the stalwarts, thus laying a strong foundation for their future careers. With speakers from the diverse geographical locations, we are indeed a global community. Our shared goal is not just individual learning, but forging connections, collaborations, and partnerships to elevate our field. Pakistan's journey in nuclear medicine, though laden with challenges, has been one of the determination, resilience, and progress. As we convene today, let's remind ourselves of our unwavering commitment to providing better healthcare solutions and brighter prospects for our patients. As we proceed, let me also draw your attention to a unique segment we have incorporated, our awards ceremony. In our endeavor to recognize exceptional talent, we honor the budding stars with Young Investigator Award. Furthermore, our Professional Excellence Award will be a homage to seasoned physicians whose lifelong contribution have paved the way for many. The field of nuclear medicine and molecular imaging is growing tremendously, and we need to keep the pace with the newer modalities for imaging and therapy, for which the PSNM keeps on striving. In conclusion, I urge each one of you to fully engage in this conference. The tapestry of knowledge, innovation, and collaboration awaits your unique thread. Let's remain anchored to our core mission, enhancing the quality of life through the continued evolution of nuclear medicine. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us. Welcome to the 9th Annual Conference of Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine. As we dive deep, let's learn, innovate together, and shape a better tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's indeed an honor to have Dr. Masood Iqbal, Member Science, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, with us as a chief guest today. I invite Honorable Chief Guest to share his views and thoughts with nuclear medicine community.
Thank you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dr. Shazia Fatma, President, Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine. Dr. Babar Imran Tamgai Imtiaz, Conference Chair, Director PINAM. Very esteemed colleagues, senior colleagues, the fellow healthcare professionals, particularly our foreign colleagues, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. I am pleased and honored to join the 9th Annual Conference of the Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine. I extend my warmest welcome to our international and national speakers, delegates who have traveled from abroad and across Pakistan to join this forum of knowledge, exchange, and collaboration. Your expertise and experiences are invaluable contributions to our collective learning. The conference theme, Nuclear Medicine, Expand and Boundaries, very good, truly reflects the dynamic and forward-thinking nature of the discipline. Nuclear medicine is at the forefront of medical innovation, and its role in diagnostics and therapy is expanding every day. With advancement in imaging technologies, radiopharmaceuticals, and theranostics, this field is playing an increasingly critical role in the detection and treatment of complex diseases, including cancer and cardiovascular disorder. I am profoundly impressed by the commitment and dedication of the Executive Council of Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine in organizing this comprehensive scientific program, which not only includes an impressive lineup of national and international speakers, but also offer pre-conference workshops are essentials workshops in area like general nuclear medicine and radiopharmacy. These workshops are essential in developing the next generation of nuclear medicine professionals and ensuring that they have access to the latest advancement and technologies. The Leadership Symposium that will discuss the future direction of nuclear medicine is a timely and important initiative. Leadership plays a pivotal role in the shaping the future of any discipline, and it is heartening to see that PSNM is committed to fostering leadership that will ensure the continued growth and innovative of nuclear medicine in Pakistan. Today, nuclear medicine is a key area of focus for Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission as we are recognize its potential in improving the quality of healthcare in Pakistan. PIC's commitment to advancing nuclear medicine is evident in the fact that we operate numerous hospitals across Pakistan, providing nuclear medicine services to thousands of the patients. These services are not just limited to diagnostics. Our hospitals are equipped with state-of-the-art technology for therapeutic procedures, particularly for cancer treatment. And Dr. Babar Imran has very widely and very openly said about the facilities and the provided for the patients of Pakistan. I would also like to acknowledge and congratulate the esteemed professionals who will receiving the Professional Excellence Awards, Major General Retired Amin Wakar, Hilal Imtiaz, Military, Dr. Khalid Nawaz, and Dr. Javed Irfanullah. Their contributions to nuclear medicine have set high standard for all of us, and their recognition is well deserved, sir. Equally, I am excited about the announcement of the Young Investigator Awards as President PSNM just announced, which will recognize the outstanding achievement of our rising talent. Encouraging and nurturing young investigator is critical for the sustainability and advancement of nuclear medicine in Pakistan. The industry exhibition is another highlight of this event. It will showcase cutting-edge technology that is driving the future of nuclear medicine. I am encourage all of you to engage with our industry partners, explore the innovations on display, and consider how these technologies can be implanted to enhance patient care in our institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of nuclear medicine in Pakistan is filled with promise, and we are resolute in our dedication to trailblazing medical advancement. Together we will continue to raise the bar in healthcare, contributing to the well-being of our nation and beyond. Thank you for your attention and unwavering dedication to this noble cause. This was very articulate, written in a very good format by Dr. Shazia Fatima, and I have read in front of you. With your permission, please, I would like to a little bit in our national language, if you allow, please. मैं आप लोगों का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ, आप लोग यहाँ पर आए और कुछ मेरा सुना। ये बड़ी तरतीब से लिखा हुआ वो थी कहानी जो मैंने आपके सामने पेश कर दी। कुछ मैंने कहा हम अपनी बातें भी कर लेते हैं। मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि हम क्यों यहाँ आ जाएं, क्यों इकट्ठे हुए। एक सोसाइटी है, उसने एक फंक्शन कराया, कोई गोल होगा, कोई इसका कोई मोटिवेशन होगी बैकग्राउंड पे। हर काम के पीछे कोई ना कोई मोटिवेशन होती है। तो वो क्या चीज़ है जिसके लिए हमने ये प्रोग्राम किया है। हम सारे लोग, मैं भी इस्लामाबाद से आया, आप लोग बड़ी दूर दराज से आए, तो दैट इज़ जो मेरे ख्याल में है वो है पेशेंट केयर। हमारा सब का एम क्या है? पेशेंट केयर। कि हम सारी ये कोशिशें, सारी मेहरबानी जितनी भी इकट्ठी कर रहे हैं उसका मकसद है कि हमारा जो मुल्क का जो मरीज़ है वो बेहतर फैज़याब हो सके डॉक्टरों से, टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट से और बाकी भी जो फार्मास्यूटिकल्स वगैरह से। तो हमें सोचना चाहिए, कभी कभी अपना रिवाइज़ करते रहना चाहिए सबक कि हम कितने इसमें कामयाब हैं, हमारा पेशेंट कितना हमसे सक्सेसफुल है, जो उसने हमसे उम्मीद लगाई हुई है क्या हम वो उसको डिलीवर कर रहे हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, in the form of pharmaceuticals, technologists, and the equipment which are being used, being supplied for the patients. This is just a point of thought from me. Please, you are professionals in this field. You people are wonderful people. You people did a lot of jobs. क्या हम इस काम को कितना कर रहे हैं और क्या पेशेंट तक पहुंच रहा है उसका रिज़ल्ट, ये हमारे लिए सोचने की ज़रूरत है और इसको ज़रूर सोचिएगा और देखिएगा कि हम कितने कामयाब हैं इसमें। आई एम आल्सो वेरी मच thankful and deepest gratitude to Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine for inviting me to be a part of this remarkable event. I look forward for the rich discussions, innovative solutions, and the transformative energy that will emanate from this conference. And also the organizing team, particularly, we are gathered here very हम बैठे हुए हैं बड़े आराम से सुकून से, लेकिन इस सारे करने के पीछे एक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम की दिन रात शबानो रोज़ मेहनत है. दैट शुड बी एक्नॉलेज्ड. आई थिंक इसमें आप लोग शामिल हैं, फिल्म की जो टीम है वो शामिल है. मैंने जो थोड़ी सी बातें पहले की है ना वो हमारे रिलीजन से रिलेटेड है. हमारी कुरान पाक में दुआ है वैज़ा मरिज़्तु फहुव यशफ़ीन. जब मैं बीमार होता हूँ तो मुझे वही शिफा देता है. तो अल्लाह शिफा देने के लिए आपको सोर्स बनाता है. यू बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ अल्लाह, जिससे वो पेशेंट सेहतयाब होता है और हासिल करता है. तो ये देख लीजिए कि हम अल्लाह का साथ कितना दे रहे हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. स्टे ब्लेस्ड. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request worthy chief guest to present souvenirs to our guest speakers for the plenary session. I would request Dr. Babar Imran and Dr. Shazia Fatma to please accompany the chief guest for presenting here. First, I would request Dr. Arif Sheikh. He has come all the way from USA. Professor Frangos Savas. He is President-elect World Federation of Nuclear Medicine and Biology. He has come from Cyprus. In the end, I would request Professor Kyun Wook Kang. He is the President, Korean Society of Nuclear Medicine and Chair, ARCCN. Now I would request Dr. Shazia Fatma and President, Pakistan Society of Nuclear Medicine, and Dr. Babar Imran, Conference Chair, to present the souvenir to the chief guest. With this, we come to the end of today's inaugural session. On behalf of President and Executive Council, PSNM, I am once again grateful to Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, members of the society, and industry partners who have joined us to support the event. I would further request all the speakers and faculty members, organizers, and members of the society to join the Chief Guest for a group photograph.